Which American Express card will give you the most value in 2025? With cards offering everything from unbeatable rewards to luxurious travel perks, the decision can be overwhelming. Can one card transform your spending while another elevates your travel? Let's uncover the best option for you. Starting off with one of the most accessible options, the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card is ideal for individuals looking for a straightforward, no annual fee card. The card offers solid cashback opportunities, including 3% cashback at US supermarkets to $6,000 annually, 2% cashback at gas stations and select department stores, and 1% on other purchases. For anyone focusing on everyday savings without paying an annual fee, this card fits the bill perfectly. But is it worth considering if you travel often? Maybe not, as the card lacks any significant travel perks or benefits. Still, it's hard to beat for those sticking to a budget. Moving up a notch, the American Express Gold card steps in as the mid-tier option with benefits designed for food lovers and frequent travelers. This card comes with a $250 annual fee, but it's quickly balanced out by its quadruple points on dining at restaurants, including takeout, and quadruple points at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year. If dining out and travel are a major part of your lifestyle, then the answer could be yes. For those who crave luxury and frequent travel, the American Express Platinum card stands out. With a hefty $695 annual fee, it's certainly not for everyone, but the benefits make it an excellent choice for jet setters. The Platinum card from American Express is packed with luxury travel benefits that are hard to ignore. For starters, it comes with a $200 annual airline fee credit, helping to offset costs like checked bags and in-flight purchases. It also gives you complimentary access to some of the best airport lounges, perfect for making those long layovers more comfortable. Plus, there's up to $200 in Uber Cash annually, which can be used for rides or even Uber Eats. On top of that, you can earn 5 times the points when booking flights directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, and 5 times the points on hotels booked via the platform. If you travel frequently, these points can add up quickly. But that's not all. The card also offers premium travel protections and gives you elite status in various hotel loyalty programs, making your stay at top hotels even more special. Now, with all these perks, the Platinum card definitely feels like the ultimate luxury card, but with an annual fee that sits at $695, it's a big commitment. So is it worth it? If you're only traveling occasionally and don't plan to use these perks regularly, the cost might outweigh the benefits, and in that case, it could feel like overkill. On the exclusive side, the American Express Centurion card, also known as the Black Card, is the ultimate status symbol. It's invitation only and rumored to come with an initiation fee of around $10,000 and an annual fee of $5,000. What do you get for such a high price? Benefits include top-tier concierge services, access to the most exclusive events, and automatic elite status with numerous hotel and airline programs. But is this card truly worth it for anyone who isn't a high-net-worth individual? The answer is likely no, as it's tailored for those who are already spending large amounts and can fully utilize its perks. Next, for small business owners or freelancers, the American Express Business Platinum card offers robust benefits to keep business expenses in check while earning rewards. With a $695 annual fee, it mirrors the personal Platinum card in terms of benefits, but adds special features like up to $400 in Dell credits, 5 times the points on flights and hotels, and up to 1.5 times the points on eligible business purchases. It's a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to maximize points without worrying about hefty fees. The simplicity of the card makes it an attractive option, but does it offer enough perks to keep your business running smoothly? That depends on your company's spending habits and whether you need the extra bells and whistles of higher tier cards. In 2025, American Express offers a wide range of credit cards catering to different needs, whether you're looking to maximize rewards on groceries, dining, or travel. Each card comes with its own set of pros and cons, and selecting the right one depends on your lifestyle and spending habits. So which one speaks to your financial needs? Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite Amex card.